In this tutorial, we'll learn about Fusion's Extend command. It's the counterpart of the Trim tool. Let's pick up with the geometry that we created in our previous tutorial about the Trim command. Let's activate the Extend tool. Essentially, it works in a way opposite to the Trim tool. Any entity we mouse over is highlighted. The extension is shown to us in green. If we left-click, we'll accept that extension. Now, what do you do if you want the extension to appear on the other side of the segment rather than where it is currently? Just be more careful about your approach. Mouse over the entity closer to the end where you want the extension to appear. Now the green extension preview is on the other side of the segment. In other words, the extension will appear on the side that's closest to the cursor. Left-click to accept the extension, and left-click here. And let's close that circle. Restore some of the geometry that we'd trimmed in our previous tutorial. This concludes our tutorial about the Extend tool.